do Heron's formula now. Now, if we have a right triangle, it's real easy to find the area of the triangle. And looking at it, we knew that if we carried these up, that would make a rectangle. Drawing's not perfect, but you get the idea. So it would be base times height. Now look, this triangle is exactly 1/2 of what that rectangle would be. It bisects it, which means our area of the triangle is 1/2 times base times height. But what if our triangles are different angles? This one's an equilateral, and we don't know the height. Well, let's go on, and once again, my dimensions are off. So let's look at this triangle with side lengths of 8, 15, and 17. So we're going to go to Heron's formula, which is, we first have to find what S is. S is interesting. It's 1/2 of, they call it A plus B plus C in some formulas, but actually what it is 1/2 the perimeter. So I'm going to put in our numbers for A, B, and C. So it's 1/2 8 plus 15 plus 17. So that gives us 8 plus 15 plus 17 gives us 40. So 1/2 of 40 is equal to 20. So that's the S that we start with. So now that we know what S is, let's go right to the formula. So the area of any triangle is going to be the square root of our S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. Do my S's a little funny so that they don't look like 5s. All right, so let's put our numbers in. So the area is 20 times 20 minus 8 times 20 minus 15 times 20 minus 17. Always PEMDAS, what's in parentheses first now. 20 minus 8 is 12. 20 minus 15 is 5. 20 minus 17 is 3. I'll move this down a little bit. So now, always work at what's easiest to multiply. Pick numbers that are nice and easy. That's what I've always taught. So 12 times 5 is 60. So 20 times 60, 1200 times 3, and your answer is going to be the square root of 3600. Now, that's not our final answer, is it? We always know that we can reduce when we can. Always go back to your factor trees. We can do this in our head, but let's just practice. So now I've got 100 times 36. 100 is 10 times 10, which is 2 times 5, which is 2 times 5. And 36 is 6 times 6, isn't it? So let's take this out. This is 2 squared times 5 squared times 6 squared. I can take that out further. I could have actually stopped when I got to exact numbers and done it like this. So it could have been 10 times 10 times 6 times 6 because I knew I had square numbers at that point. So 3600, square root 3600 is going to be equal to the square root of 6 squared times 10 squared. Square and the square root cancel each other out, so it's 6 times 10, which is 60. So the area of that triangle is 60. Once again, to refresh, go back, figure out what S equals. It's 1/2 of the perimeter. Once you find that out, you multiply that value S times the difference of S minus A times the difference of S minus B times the difference of S minus C. You multiply those all together, take the square root. That will give you the area of any triangle.